DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward in this 1 minute video. I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. We are sitting at $16.98, and it is pretty bearish from what I'm looking at. Kind of flat, so it depends how the day will close, because we still have at the time of making this video 2 more hours to go. But I think that when you're gonna watch this, is gonna be like market close or not, and maybe post market. But you definitely see this still has a very crazy bearish momentum. The only case in which that this is gonna be something bullish for me, if it really wants to do that, is gonna be if it starts breaking above. That's first stage. Start breaking above 25 bucks, and we're not close to it. So I'm sure they're going to continue to keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And I mean, talking more on DJT is just going to be like a complete overkill, because honestly, it's just, if it gives the rules, then I'm going to take it higher. So definitely seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.